Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to remove vertical lines from a table in Microsoft Word while keeping the horizontal lines clean and professional. This is especially useful when designing reports, assignments, forms, invoices, resumes, and clean document layouts. Many users struggle with table border and accidentally remove all line or mess up the layout. In this video, I show you simple step-by-step methods to remove only the vertical borders without affecting the rest of the table design. So let's get started. We can see here an assignment on my college. Now I want to remove the vertical line from the table. At first, I draw a table, go to the insert menu, click this table option. Now I am make a table. We can see here the vertical line. Here the vertical line. Here three vertical line on the middle of table. Now you want to remove this, go to the layout menu and we can see here many option. Now I am select the eraser, then click this vertical line and we can see we remove this line easily. We can see we remove the vertical line easily. Otherwise you can use another process. Select the all table, go to the design menu and select this border option and choose the right border. We can see we remove this vertical line. Otherwise you can select this and you can select the cell and select the border drop down menu and choose the right border. We can see we remove this right border easily. You can use the eraser, otherwise you can use the vertical border and you erase the border permanently. Now we can see we remove vertical lines from table very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.